Did she get it? Jelana, don't please. We don't want Daddy to the hospital.
Don't hit it like that.
That's because I don't want the ball. Like, you're targeting me.
You lose. I'll target Jelana. Jelana. No. Jade? We're not going to play hot potato.
Hot potato.
Upong maayos, Jelana. Upong maayos.
Okay, ready? You want to do it? Let's do it, Jade.
Well, Jade and Daddy want to play the...
No, I don't want to play that either. Ready?
Yep.
Dad.
Oh, careful. Oh,
Bro, you could give me a heads up at first.
give you a heads up. Ready?
Jelana's such a cheater.
What's that about?
What was that? Yes, you tossed it to me right when I went out.
You did?
Yar.
What's that all about?
Jelana, you're like, I'm not about to get that, bro. That's because you're the one who threw it at me.
Where's that?
It's over there.
I can't get
Side.
it. Jelana? You trying to Jade? Watch it.
I'm gonna throw away at you, bro.
On the top of your day.
How mad would you be? Right?
She's gonna sleep with me. She's like that behavior. You're not gonna sleep with Daddy.
I passed a climate survey.
What's the climate survey?
It's like if you like it asks you questions about if you feel safe at school or if you like feel comfortable, and then it's like about yourself and how
Did
you
you
feel.
did you
at
feel
home.
good? No.
You don't feel safe at school?
Do you feel safe at home?
It's in the middle. Yar.
Is it in the middle?
Yar.
Oh, really? You're not...
Why is that?
What because mom and dad argues all the time?
Huh?
Because you two argue all the time.
So that means you feel safe?
No. You
So-
also yell a lot.
Who?
You.
So is that you feel safe?
No.
Oh, wow.
I'm just saying.
Are you ready?
All the time?
Not all the time.
Oh, see? So clear it.
But still sometimes.
Well, that's normal. But you guys, you and Julene, you're screaming all the time.
There you go.
Oh.
Jade, hit.
You and Julene screaming all the time, Jade.
I don't care.
So, what's that
That
mean?
doesn't matter.
Oh, no. It matters. You cannot look at... Jade, you cannot look at others and yourself is exemption. That's not fair.
Ready? Are you ready? Ready, Jelana? Ready? Ready?
They're looking at the time. That's not fair. Don't put your hands up. Okay, thank you.
You want to see it? Here it comes.
Jade,
Is that it? I didn't know.
It's Jade.
she's sleeping.
Yeah.
Jelana, be careful. Dad, can you do your feet? Ay, ay, ay. You guys are looking on the time. You're supposed to be looking.